Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our second lecture is starting with chapter number 2 that consists of number system. We have different types of number system, but here in this chapter we will study three types of them. Number 1, decimal system. Number 2, base 5 system. And number 3, base 2 system. Decimal number system. Decimal number system is the simple number system which we use in our daily life. This number system consisting of 10 digits and these digits are 0 till 9. Base 5 system. Base 5 system is the number system which consisting of 5 digits and these 5 digits are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Although it is a base 5 number system, but remember that 5 is not included in the counting of base 5 system. But we use 5 as a base to indicate that this is the base 5 number system. Base 2 system, which is also called a binary system. As it is shown by its name, by, which means 2. So this is the counting consisting of 2 digits and these 2 digits are 0 and 1. As this number system consisting of these 2 digits, that is why we use 2 as a base to indicate the number is a binary system. Conversion of base 5 system into decimal system. We can easily convert the number of base 5 system into the number of decimal system, and that we will study and practice in our exercise. Now come to exercise 2.1. The first question you have given, convert the following base 5 numbers into those of decimal system, in which we have given 3, 2 with base 5 and we have to convert this base 5 numbers into a decimal numbers. So in order to convert this base 5 number to decimal numbers, we will multiply each digit with the powers of 5 and then we will add it. Why we multiply it with the powers of 5? Because it has a base 5. So this, in order to convert this base 5 to decimal, we will multiply each digit with base 5. How? Let's see. This 3 will multiply with 5 and then plus this 2 will also multiply with 5. Now we will start writing the powers of 5 increasing from left to right. So the first 5 will have the power 0 and then the next 5 will have the power 1. And then we will resolve this powers first. So 3 multiplied by 5 raised to power 1 is equals to 5 plus 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 0. Any number that has the power 0 is always equal to 1. That is why this 5 raised to power 0 is equals to 1. And then we will multiply it first. This 3 will multiply with 5 and gives you 15 plus this 2 will multiply with 1 that gives you 2. Now we will add these two numbers. 15 plus 2 gives you 17 and this is our answer. So here you have come to know that the 3, 2 of base 5 is equivalent to the 17 of decimal number. Now let us take one more example. Let's suppose if we have given a number 304 with base 5 and we have to convert it into a decimal number. So In the same way, first we will multiply each digit with 5. Now we will start writing the powers and we will start it from left. So the first 5 will have the power 0. The second 5 will take power 1 and then the third 5 will have the power 2. Now in the next step we will solve these powers. So our next step will be 3 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2 means 25 plus 0 multiplied by 5 raised to power 1 which means 5 plus 4 multiplied by 5 raised to power 0 means 4 multiplied by 1. Now we will multiply this in the next step. So we will get 3 multiplied by 5, 75 plus 0 multiplied by 5 equals to 0 plus 4 multiplied by 1 gives you 4. Now we will add this number. So we will get 79 and this 79 is our decimal number which is equals to 304 of base 5. I hope you all have understood how to convert the base 5 number into a decimal number. So the students, in assignment number 2, you have to convert the following base 5 numbers into a decimal numbers. And these numbers are 13 base 5, 122 with base 5, 234 base 5, 4012 with base 5. As we have learned how to convert the base 5 number to decimal number system, likewise we can also convert the decimal number system to base 5 system, and that we will do in our next question. The question you have, convert the following decimal numbers into those of base 5, and the decimal number you have given, that is 112, and we have to convert this into a base 5 number. Now in order to convert this 112 to base 5 number, we will divide it with 5. So in the first step we will write 112 divided by 5. As we know that this 112 is not exactly divisible by 5. So what we will do? We will see the number lesser than 112, which is easily divisible by 5, and that number is 110. This 110 is easily divisible by 5, but the 2 will be remainder. So we will write it as 5 22 times 110 and the remainder is 2. Now again we have 22. This 22 will also divide by 5, right? And we know that this 22 is also not divisible by 5. But the number lesser than 22, which is 20, and it is easily divisible by 5. So 5 4th time is 20 and the remainder will be 2. Now this 4, we will not further divide this 4 with 5. So we will write our answer as it is indicated with the direction of arrows. We will get the digits, which is 4 2 2, and this 4 2 2 is the number of base 5, which is equivalent to 112. One more example we will solve. Let's suppose if we have given a number 1357 and we have to convert this into a base 5 numbers. So how can we convert it? In the same way we will divide it with 5. as we know that this is not exactly divisible by 5. So what we will get? In the first step, we will get 271 and the remainder will be 2. Now this 271 will also divide with 5. So we will get 54 and the remainder 1. This 54 will again divided by 5 and gives you 10 remainder with remainder 4. Now this 10 again will divide it with 5 and that gives you, as we know that this 10 is exactly divisible by 5. So it gives you 2 and the remainder 0. Now we will write our answer as it is indicated with the direction of arrows. We will write it all the digits as 20412 with base 5. Why? We have converted this and in base 5. This 1357 is equivalent to 20412 with base 5. I hope you have understood how to convert the decimal number into a base 5 number. So the students, in assignment number 2, the question number 2 you have to do, convert the following decimal numbers into those of base 5 numbers. The numbers you have given. These 4 numbers you have to convert into a base 5 numbers. As we have done the conversion of base 5 system to decimal system or decimal system to base 5 system, we can also convert the binary system to decimal system and from decimal system to binary system, and that we will study in exercise 2.2. Now in exercise 2.2, the first question you have given, convert the following binary numbers into those of decimal system. Let's suppose if we have given a number 101010 with base 2 and we have to convert it into a decimal number. As we know that when we convert any number system into those of decimal system, so we multiply it with the increasing power of its base. And here we have base 2. So we will multiply each digit with the increasing power of 2. Let us start its conversion. So first we will multiply each digit with 2. So this 1 will multiply with 2 plus 0 will multiply with 2 plus 1 multiply by 2 plus 0 multiply by 2 plus 1 multiply by 2 plus 0 multiply by 2. Now we will start writing its power. And this power is starting from the left to right. So the first 2 will get a power 0 and then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Now first we will solve the powers. So this 1 will multiply with 2 raised to power 5, that gives you 32. Likewise 0 will multiply with 2 raised to power 4, which is 16. Now plus 1 will multiply with 2 raised to power 3, means 8, plus 0 multiply with 2 raised to power 2 means 4, plus 1 will multiply with 2 raised to power 1, which means 2, plus 0 will multiply with 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 0 is 1, right? Now in the next step we will multiply these numbers. So 1 is multiplying with 32, that gives you 32. 0 will multiply with 16, that gives you 0. 1 will multiply with 8, that gives you 8, plus 0 will multiply with 4, that gives you 0, plus 1 will multiply by 2. So it gives 2 plus 0 multiplied by 1 will give you 0. Now we will add all these numbers and we get 42. And this 42 is the decimal number which is equal to the given binary number, and that's our answer. Students, I hope you have understood how to convert the binary numbers to those of decimal numbers. So you have given these 4 binary numbers which you have to convert into decimal numbers. Now come to the next question of exercise 2.2. Convert the following numbers into those of base 2. Now you have to convert the decimal numbers into binary numbers. So how can we convert the decimal numbers into binary numbers? Let's suppose if we have given a decimal number 32. Now, in order to convert this 32 into binary number, we will divide it with 2. Why we divide it with 2? As we know that the binary numbers is the number system with base 2. So, in order to convert this decimal number into binary number, we will divide it with 2. So, in the first step, when we divide it with 2, we will get 16, as we know that 216 times is 32, right? So this 216 times is 32 and the remainder we will have is 0. And now we will divide this 16 with 2. And when we divide this 16 with 2, we will get 8 with remainder 0. Now this 2 will again divide it with 2. So we will get 4 with remainder 0. Now this 4 will be divided with 2. So what we will get? We will get 2 with remainder 0. Now this 2 will again divide it with 2. So when we divide this 2 with 2, we will get 1 with remainder 0. Now we will write the answer with the direction of arrows. So we will get this 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0 with base 2. And that will be our answer. It means that the 32 of decimal number is equivalent to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 with base 2. I hope you have understood how to convert the decimal numbers to binary numbers. And in the assignment number 2, you will do the next question, that is, convert the following decimal numbers into those of binary number system. And the numbers you have given 8, 25, 97 and 151. You will convert these 4 numbers into binary numbers in your second assignment. Solution of powers. First we will see the powers of 2. And now we will solve the different powers of 2. These powers of 2 you should try to memorize. Why? Because this will help you out in the solution or conversion of binary numbers to decimal numbers. Let's start with 2 with power 0. 2 with power 0, as I have told you before, that any number with power 0 is always equals to 1. So this 2 with power 0 is equals to 1. Now next, 2 with power 1, that is equals to 2. Now 2 with power 2, it means the multiplication of 2 with itself 2 times. So that gives you 4. Now 2 with power 3, it means that the multiplication of 2 3 times. So that gives you 8. Now 2 with power 4, it means that the multiplication of 2's 4 times, that gives you 16. Now come to 2 with power 5, it means that multiplication of 2's 5 times, and that gives you 32. Now come to the 2 with power 6, it means that the multiplication of 2's 6 times, and that gives you 64. Students, I want you all to memorize this powers of 2 and their numbers. Solution of powers of 5. As we have done the powers of 2, now we will do the powers of 5. So the first we have 5 with power 0. As I have told you before that any number with power 0 is always equals to 1. The next we have 5 with power 1, which is equals to 5. Next 5 raised to power 2, which is equals to 5 multiplied by 5, that gives you 25. Now the next we have 5 with power 3. It means that 5 will multiply with 5 will multiply with 5. That gives you 125. Now next we have 5 with power 4. It means that 5s will multiply with 5 will multiply with 5 will multiply with 5. That gives you 625. Now the next we have 5 with power 5. It means that the multiplication of 5s 5 times, and that gives you 3125. A very important key point. Student, always remember that whenever you convert any number system into a decimal system, you use the operation of multiplication. One more very important key point. So the students always remember that whenever you convert a decimal number into any other number system, you use an operation of division. Now we must have a review of today's lecture. So today we have done a number system with exercises 2.1 and 2.2. And we have learned the conversion of decimal number to base 5 number system, and from base 5 system to decimal system. And we have also learned the conversion of decimal number system to binary number system, and from binary number system to decimal number system. And we have also practiced it with different examples. Thank you. Have a good time and complete your assignment on time.